Hudge Mega. Axolotl guards the clan below, brave and slow. B is for blue whale, giant Hudge Mega. Blue whale leads migration strong, deep and long. C is for crab, giant Hudge Mega. Crab defends the sandy ground, back around. D is for dolphin, giant Hudge Mega. Dolphin guides the hunting round, smart and sound. Grow up big, giant Hudge Mega. Ocean leaders rule together, from A to Z beneath the sea. Strong and wise for all to see. E is for emperor, angelfish, giant Hudge Mega. Patrolling reefs both night and day, bright array. F is for flying fish, giant Hudge Mega. Signal school to leap away, skyward play. G is for giant squid, giant Hudge Mega. Guards its realm in ocean deep, wide sweep. H is for hammerhead shark, giant Hudge Mega. Keeps formation steady and sleek, strong and unique. Grow up big, giant Hudge Mega. Ocean leaders rule together, from A to Z beneath the sea. Strong and wise for all to see. I is for Imperial Shrimp, giant Hudge Mega. Cleans and cares for ocean friends, care extends. J is for jellyfish, giant Hudge Mega. Drifts and glows where light bends, slow extends. K is for killer whale, giant Hudge Mega. Teaches skills to young and brave, wave to wave. L is for lionfish, giant Hudge Mega. Protects the reef with fins displayed, bold parade. Grow up big, giant Hudge Mega. Ocean leaders rule together, from A to Z beneath the sea. Strong and wise for all to see. M is for manatee, giant Hudge Mega. Leads the herd to waters warm, safe from storm. N is for Nudibranch, giant Hudge Mega. Finds rare food and sounds alarm, bright charm. O is for octopus, giant Hudge Mega. Builds and hides in clever ways, maze of caves. P is for prawn, giant Hudge Mega. Guides the currents through the waves, migration phase. Grow up big, giant Hudge Mega. Ocean leaders rule together, from A to Z beneath the sea. Strong and wise for all to see. Q is for Quahog, giant Hudge Mega. Filters food and hides below, steady flow. R is for Ray, giant Hudge Mega. Leads to cleaning stations, gentle glow. S is for Seahorse, giant Hudge Mega. Guards the eggs with patient care, love to share. T is for tiger shark, giant Hudge Mega. Cruises strong everywhere, ocean stare. Grow up big, giant Hudge Mega. Ocean leaders rule together, from A to Z beneath the sea. Strong and wise for all to see. U is for unicornfish, giant Hudge Mega. Leads to algae fields so wide, reef side. V is for Vaquita, giant Hudge Mega. Warns of danger far and wide, quick eye. W is for walrus, giant Hudge Mega. Guards the shore with tusks held high, ice nearby. X is for X-ray fish, giant Hudge Mega. Moves in patterns to confuse the eye, flash and fly. Grow up big, giant marvel. Ocean leaders rule together, from A to Z beneath the sea. Strong and wise for all to see. Y is for Yeti Crab, giant holds the vents where heat will rise. Deep surprise. Z is for zebra shark, giant Hudge Mega. Find safe grounds where rest lies, ocean wise. Grow up big, giant Mega. Ocean leaders rule together, from